In this tutorial I will show you how to make this double exposure in Photoshop. Duplicate image. Go to Select menu and choose Subject. Click on Mask icon. Create Solid Color Adjustments layer. Choose this color as background. Add this image. Press Ctrl T or Command T, then adjust image size and position. Add a mask to layer. Pick brush and follow the process. Right-click on Mask Layer and choose Apply Layer Mask. Right-click again and choose Convert to Smart Object. Create Color Balance Adjustments layer. Click on Clipping Mask icon. Play with sliders to match the colors. Add a mask on this layer, and follow the process. Create a new layer and follow the process. Create a new layer and follow the process. Now add this image and follow the process. Pick Quick Selection tool. Select these areas. Hold Alt or Option key and click on Mask icon. Create a black and white adjustment layer. Clip mask to bottom layer. Create a color balance adjustment layer. And follow the process. Create a curves adjustments layer. And make image darker. Choose Layer Mask. Pick Brush tool. And follow the process. Now add this image. Change blend mode to screen. For the final step, add your text. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.